Cool Smart English. Past simple.
I worked yesterday.
You worked yesterday.
We worked yesterday.
They worked yesterday.
He worked yesterday.
She worked yesterday.
It worked yesterday.
My mom worked yesterday.
Did I work yesterday?
Did you work yesterday?
Did we work yesterday?
Did they work yesterday?
Did he work yesterday?
Did she work yesterday?
Did it work yesterday?
Did your mom work yesterday?
I didn't work yesterday. You didn't work yesterday.
We didn't work yesterday.
They didn't work yesterday. He didn't work yesterday. She didn't work yesterday. It didn't work yesterday.
My mom didn't work yesterday.